This is a quick tutorial on how to change your ribbon. First, you push down on the guides on both sides and remove the ribbon. Remove the guides by pushing on the blue knobs, which will remove those. And your replacement will come with a roller, so you'll want to replace that roller. And then just reverse the same. Insert the guides, bottom first with the knobs. Then insert the back with the ribbon coming down. And you want to make sure the ribbon is pushed all the way up against the guides, or you will get an error. And push down until you hear a click. Make sure the ribbon is coming down and under the guides. And you're coming underneath the roller. And push down on the knobs and you'll hear a click, and you can tighten the slack by turning them the opposite direction. So again, you want to make sure that the ribbon is tight up against the guides to the left, same with here, and if there are no wrinkles, you can actually rub your finger across the ribbon to smooth out the wrinkles. Good to go.